Hello, myself Darpan Suluja. I am computer programmer. This video series is about computer algebra using symbolic computing. We are using Python SymPy package for doing practical work. Let's start the discussion with what is linear equation and how to solve linear equation. In this video, we will discuss about linear equation. An equation is a statement indicating that two algebraic expressions are equal. A linear equation with one variable x is an equation that can be written in standard form ax plus b, where a and b are real number and a is not equal to 0. 3x minus 12 is equal to 0. This is a linear equation. Steps for solving linear equation: simplify each side of the equation by removing parentheses and combining like terms. For example, in this equation, we are combining 5x plus 2x like terms and 14 plus 2 in this way. Use addition or subtraction to isolate the variable term on one side of the equation. Here we are doing addition for 14 plus 2 is equal to 16 and 5x plus 2 is equal to 7x. Use multiplication or division to solve for the variable, and we are also doing the division. Here we are dividing by 7 for solving the variables. Example for solve the linear equation. This is our example. So let's do this example using SymPy package. For that we have our first step, that is we import all the function from SymPy package. Then we have created the 5 symbols and we also turn on the printing. Now start the work using SymPy package. Our equation is equal to eq 5 into x plus 40 plus 2 into x plus 2, and right hand side is 30, that is 7x plus 16 is equal to 30, and solve for x by calling solve method and passing the equation, and our value of x is equal to 2. This will return us a list containing the value of x and the value is 2. Let's take another example. X by 3 plus x by 2 is equal to 10. To solve it, we have take the least common multiple of 3 and 2, and our equation after that will be 2x plus 3x is equal to 60 and x is equal to 12. Let's solve it. Expression is equal to equation x by 3 plus x by 2 equal to 10, and expression 5x plus 5x by 6 is equal to 10, and then solve it. And our value is equal to 12. So x value is 12. So using SymPy we have solved the linear equation for one variable. Let's take another example which contains the two variables. For that we have our expression is equal to eq1 is equal to eq x plus y minus 5. Here we are not taking the right hand side, that is equal part. Then equation in SymPy are used to be equal to 0 for eq1, and SymPy is assuming it equal to 0. If the two equations are not equal to 0, if the equation were not equal to 0, we would simply subtract the right term, right hand side, and take it to the left hand side and change its sign. The subtraction will result in an equal to 0. Our second equation is eq2 is equal to eq1 eq and x minus y plus 3 eq2 shift enter x minus 1 y plus 3 is equal to 0. So now we have two equation 1 and equation 2, and two variables x and y which are unknown. To solve them we will call solve method, solve eq1 comma eq2 and the variable x comma y, shift take the result into a variable, for example dict dot solve. You can take any variable. So solve method returns us a dictionary, that is dict underscore solve. To get the variable x and y separately, we will print f x is equal to, from dictionary, our dictionary is dict solve, value of x is equal to 1 and value of y pass the key y and y is equal to 4. Now let's graph these two equations and get the solution by graphing, or by graph we will get the solution by analyzing the graph. To make a graph in Python we have many ways, but here we are using matplotlib library, which is a collection of command style functions that make matplot work like MATLAB. You can go to this URL for more matplotlib knowledge. To draw a graph using matplotlib library, first we will import the library. We have also importing a numpy module, and then we have defined the two function. We are going to define the two function for our two equations. Function fx, which returns the value of y, return 5 minus x. Our equation is x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 5 minus x, that is this. Second function, to get y, q x return x minus y. To get y, that is x plus 3 is equal to y. X plus 3 is equal to y. We have an array of x, insert cell below, insert cell below, insert cell below. So we defined a array for x values using numpy linspace, which will return a array starting from -10 to 10 and evenly spaced 10 values. You can check -10, -7, -5, -3, -1, 1, 3. So we are getting here value of x. We pass the value of x to these functions to get the value of y, and then we will draw our graph. Our graph x-axis label is x label, x label. First clear this. For x label we have plt dot, call the function x label, x values, and y-axis label, y values. Title of the graph, graph of two equations. This is, and draw a grid in the plot. Let's check what is going on here. Graph of two equation is title, x value x-axis, y value y-axis, and a grid. Next thing is draw the x-axis and y-axis. PLT dot AXH line, AXH line, y is equal to 0, comma x min is equal to 0, comma x max is equal to 1, comma c is equal to black. So this is our x-axis. Similar way we can draw our y vertical line, that is y-axis. For that we have AX V line and x is equal to 0, y minimum is equal to 1, y maximum is equal to 0, shift enter. And for that we have y vertical line. Now the main part, get the value of y by calling the function f and passing it to this array, that is the x values, and then draw x values and y values, and the line of the color blue. Fx is not defined, okay. Color blue. Here the module object is not callable. The error is this x comma y x plt dot plot. So this is our line. This is our vertical line from 0 at 0 x-axis, and this is our blue line, y is equal to fx, and we have drawn the this 5 minus x for y. To show it, we draw a knot, annotate here, that is a knot here, plot dot annotate. This line is for 5 minus x, that is y is equal to 5 minus x, position where we want our indicator xy 3.3 comma 1.4, text where we want to show this text, title text, the position is equal to 3.3 comma 4.8, and the indicator from the dictionary arrow props is equal to this style face color of the arrow blue, comma shrink is equal to 0.05. And no function has now a double n o t a t e p l t. So this is our annotate, which is showing that this line is, this is a knot on the line, this is a knot on the line, which show that y is equal to 5x. We have arrow prop, this arrow from dictionary having face color blue, xy text position is 3.3 comma 4.8, and arrow position 3.3 comma 1.4. Let's draw our second equation, that is qx x plus 3. So y is equal to qx, and we are drawing it plt dot plot and value to green. Shift enter. This is our second line. Add a annotate on it. Green. Color, we can choose any kind of color. Our y is here x plus 3, x plus 3, and position where we want it, or 1, 4, and second position, first position is -5, -1.4, text position -5, 4.8. Shift enter. So this is our second annotate on this green line, which is showing that this line is y is equal to x plus 3, our second linear equation, and this is our solution. Our solution was 1, x value is equal to 1 and y value is 4. This is where the lines are crossing 1 and 4. To show it, to take a note on it, we will call the annotate function. Let's copy and paste. This is our solution point 1, 4 xy, our point 1, 4, and second where we want to print the text, this title 1, 10, and color here. So this is our solution point. This is our solution point 1 and 4. So we have drawn the two equation and check the solution by graphing the two lines, or we have checked the solutions by graphing. We have drawn the graph using Matplotlib library. So guys, in this video we have seen what is linear equations and how to solve them, and we have also draw the graph. For now it's time to say bye. We will meet in the next video about application of linear equation.